Hey, handsome. Hey, buddy. So this is our new ram. And
oh, it's shut.
I know. So Sean, just shut the red gate. Oh, pull forward and shut the red gate. Because Maisie's in there. So you gotta shut the red gate because the girls are gonna come around.
Huh?
The girls are gonna come around if you don't pull forward. Hi, buddy. So this is Ambrose. Come on, bud. Let's go this way. Oh. All right, the girls are all coming. Hey, girls. To meet our new ram. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. He's very happy to meet them. Meet Ambrose. Hi, girls. These are all our pretty girls. Hi, sweet girl. Well, he is right there. Welcome home, buddy. He just had a long ride. That you're gonna get a warm welcome. They're all chasing him. Yeah, they do love him. So we've had a long drive. The kids have been on the road since pretty much 7 o'clock this morning. It just turned 5 o'clock at night. The sun is very quickly going down. And we drove out to Maplewood Acres in Sedalia, Missouri to get Ambrose. Our last ram, Buster, was from them as well. And he was great. We loved him. They're known for excellent parasite resistance. They're from Hoppings Brothers Genetics. These are hair sheep, so they shed off their own coats by themselves. You don't have to shear them. Very good hooves, very good carcass quality. Just really hardy. So they are part, so we have, our sheep are Katahdin and Dorper cross, and then the boys have brought in a little bit of Florida Cracker genetics. So Florida Cracker is a hardy native breed, and so he looks very different than our other ram as far as coloring, and so we're hoping to add some of that pretty caramel coloring or amber coloring into our flock, and that's why his name is Ambrose. He's our bro of amber color. Nice Catholic name. So the girls are giving him an extremely warm welcome, as you can see. So a number of them are pregnant from our ram that was here before, and he went to go live at a different farm, and so we just kept too many of his girls, and so we wanted to bring in some new genetics. We're really happy to have him, so we'll let you know when we start having babies. We're going to be having babies from any of the ones that got pregnant before our ram left, but any of the ones that are bred by Ambrose now, they should be having babies around April. So we will be letting you know. So for those of you that haven't seen a video in a while, this is pretty exciting. My phone's about to cut out, so I'll stop there, but I'll do another update video soon to just let you know what's been going on the farm. You gonna say goodbye, girls? Hi, babies. You look